by and take a look at the 2022 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.